Today we're going to be attempting to cut hair prison style, and that means I only have these 3 tools in order to complete an entire haircut.
Oh my, how am I going to get this done?
Now the first product I have for today is a razor blade, and it's basically going to be replacing my clipper, trimmer, and shaver, which means this is our main machine for today. This is our main tool. The second product for today is this comb, and it's basically going to be replacing our guards. The way this is going to work is I'm going to put the blade right up front right here, and it's going to be acting as a lever closed or a lever open. Now the third and final product to complete the entire barber kit for today is this toothbrush, and I know you're wondering why a toothbrush. It's to replace the barber brush that's basically going to take off all of our excess hair that we cut off with the razor and the comb. Now before we go on to the prison haircut itself, I'm going to be daring my followers to do some crazy prison haircut challenges in exchange for a babyless set. So if you're not yet following me on Instagram, don't miss out because I will be giving out loads of sets in the near future. So let's find out what people are actually down to do. Damn.
No, es güey. Mira, tengo esto, güey.
Hey, no. Yes, te lo puedes comer y luego rasurarte la cabeza.
Okay, me la como y me rasuro.
Sí, por favor, y agarras un set. Everything, yes, at the same time. So eat the chip first and then do it. Go. Oh, he ate it. Oh! Let's go! Dude, what? He had a full mullet too. Oh my.
Quítatela toda ya una vez.
Todo. I forgot he ate the chip. Hey. No, hey, te vamos a mandar esto y luego guards and everything else you could possibly think of that's on the... Dude, hey, it's crazy hot. We did it for a challenge and it's super hot, bro. Hey, toma agua. O leche. Es leche, güey.
Marty, te amo, güey.
Hey, thank you so much. Hey, I love you too, bro. Thank you so much for supporting. Grab a cup and then just drink the toilet water and you'll get the set. You're gonna do it or?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Just grab a full cup.
From in there?
Yeah. His grandma's probably like, what the heck is this guy doing?
No. Actually, stop. Fill it up and tell your grandma, hey, grandma, voy a tomar agua del toilet.
Yeah, I want to see your reaction.
Say that, and then you'll keep the whole set, bro.
Mira, para un YouTube video para ganar. Voy a tomar
Hola, ¿cómo está?
agua del toilet.
Agua del toilet?
Agua. No.
What?
A ver, pero todo me lo... Todo. Oh, bro, I appreciate the extra effort. Like, hey, thank you so much. You get a whole set. Send me your address and then I'll send it to you right
Hey,
away.
Abuelita's probably like so disappointed in you.
Tell Abuelita, like, we're so sorry, and tell her why you did it though. Okay, peace out, dude. You take care.
What's up?
Yo, what's going on, brother?
I'm gonna try to peanut toilet here and drink it here.
Oh, get it. Go for it. Can we see it? No, more.
Dude, you're disgusting.
No, see, that's all I got.
Hey, add mayonnaise to that. Add mayonnaise to that piss.
Alright, well, let me get the mayonnaise. Let me go see my house.
Oh, God, bro, what's wrong?
Oh,
He said dehydrated.
Question is, why is there piss in your kitchen? Yes.
Oh, he's gonna add mayonnaise to his
That's
piss.
a great question. Hopefully nobody's awake to see
Nah,
it.
you got it. You got the whole set if you do this. Oh my God! Go! You're good.
Alright, bro, okay, just drink your piss.
Okay, now the piss. With the piss.
What the f? Ah, man.
No way, bro. Wait. Swallow it. You gotta swallow. You sick motherfucker. Oh my God, bro. I can't believe this is actually.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
Yo, this is all yours. Send me your address
hold on.
and I got you.
Oh my
God. Oh.
He still chugged it with water?
Wait, what is that? Toilet water?
What is that?
Toilet water? Yo, good shit, bro. I'm gonna add some guards onto that, so you're good. Dude, you're a G, bro. Thank you so much.
Shit.
Alright, Marty, take care of it, you guys. Want me to go for it?
Yeah, go for it. If you're down to shave off everything, go for it.
I don't want my eyebrow.
No. Before you start your eyebrow, it's everything, bro. Eyebrows and head.
All right, other one. And then, oh my God, bro.
The whole thing?
Yeah,
Bro, you're getting
the full
all of
thing.
this, brother.
Alright, I'll do it anyway.
Okay. Oh my God. No way, bro. Wait, let us see though. Oh my God, bro.
Hey,
look at his reaction though.
Hey.
All of it. You're quick with it though. Like, oh shit.
Let me see. I might let you leave you like that. Let me see.
Oh shit!
Just say like that.
You're good, you're good.
Don't even keep on going.
Yo, okay. Yes, send me your address. I got you.
Bro, my mom is asleep, but I'll break my Xbox right now for the full set.
Oh, you won't. Oh no, you won't.
Your
Go
mom's
do it.
room.
Go
You
do it.
won't
Go do it.
You ain't about it. You ain't about
Bro,
it.
I'll literally give you the last set. I'll literally give you the last
I
set.
love this guy.
I'll break it right now, bro. I promise you.
In your mom's room though. In your mom's room.
In my mom's room?
Yes.
I mean, hey, I ain't even gonna lie, bro. This was a Christmas present from her when I was like 13.
What? This is my Christmas present to you. This is early Christmas present.
She's asleep right now.
Fuck it. This is the last set. We gotta make it crazy.
I'm in my mom's room.
Go.
Let me see,
Go,
let me
show
see,
us.
let
Show
me
us.
see.
Show us. Where is she?
She's right here.
Let me see, real quick.
Okay, go. Do it.
Go.
Yo.
Harder. Hard one hard one, and then
Hey, bro, I gotta get that set, bro.
you got it. But hey, it's not.
Hey, bro, I'm breaking it.
Oh. Bring it outside.
Hey, I'm breaking this shit, bro.
Go. Oh. Yo.
Hey, bro.
No way. Let me see your mom's reaction. Let me see your mom's
Let me see
reaction.
your mom, bro.
Hey, bro, I love y'all for real.
Bro, I love you too. Yo, and just because of that, I'll add in a like brushes and shit like that, bro. You good?
Bro, thank you, bro. You mean the world to me, bro.
Bro, I appreciate that.
For sure, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, I got you, brother. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much. But before we move on, I do have to mention today's sponsor for this video is Geology. I've personally been using Geology for about a year now, and let me just tell you, the changes are insane. Now, growing up, I always struggled with acne and oily skin, so trying to find the right product to trust on my skin was very difficult until I found Geology. To start the short process, you'll have to fill out a quick survey to find out which regimen is best for you. Aside from that, you also get a step-by-step daily routine to follow in just a matter of seconds, because to be fair, we're all busy people and skincare shouldn't take too much time off your hands. Guys, and just because you're a loyal subscriber, Geology has given us 70% off your first trial kit if you use the link down below. Folks, you're welcome for amazing skin, and let's get on with the video. All right, so now what you guys have all been waiting for, this is the prison haircut challenge. Honestly, I have no idea how I'm gonna complete this haircut challenge, but we're gonna attempt it anyways. It almost looks like I'm gonna freaking do surgery with this freaking metal plate.
It does.
I'm yet to complete one of these freaking haircut challenges. I have none completed. Like, I seriously never complete any. One chip challenge, F. Drunk challenge, F. What else? What else was like?
The pet. Oh,
That one was decent, but honestly, I wouldn't say I have like a perfect one. We're gonna comb down the entire hair right here and then set in our first baseline.
with your hand.
Yes.
What?
Oh my god, the blade just moves. Oh my, how am I gonna get this done? No, for real. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. All right, we're good. So this is basically how high we're gonna go. We're gonna go kind of like a mid fade. So if I had a razor blade holder, then this would be easy. Like, it would be way easier. It's not that sturdy, so I have to basically just hold it down in the corner and try not to cut them. Okay, so if I were to wet it, water makes a big difference. Look at that, yeah. Okay, how much do you think a gel haircut from MartyBlendz would cost in gel?
Maybe a maruchan.
I'm worth the maruchan?
You're crazy, bro. Like, you want a MartyBlendz haircut? Give me a maruchan.
Give me a maruchan. And like, everybody will be like, what the he'll give up a maruchan? See, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to cut with this right here. So now it's like fading like this.
There's no way you're fading.
No, look, I'm fading. No, for real.
Are you ready?
Yes.
No way.
Oh, no. Okay, look. I made my first guideline. Look at it. And then I have to go above that with the wider teeth. It's not that hard. So now we put the blade closer to the teeth, and this is where it gets risky because I have to really tighten my finger up and then just like pass through that first guideline. Look, it looks better. Like, it's looking way better. Okay.
I don't know how you're gonna fade it though.
Oh, it's already faded. Huh? Okay, let me see. I'm gonna get rid of the bottom baseline. Oh my God. I'm gonna be here. That took like what, 30 minutes already? No way, for this little thing right here? Ah, dude, it's so f***ing hard. Like, I'm not...
It didn't look bad though.
Okay, that's not bad, but I need to cut in deeper. Hey, I think I'm up to something. Found a little trick to it. Oh no.
That's some ASMR shit.
Guys, this is an ASMR. Check this out. Oh my God. Okay, now I totally f***ed you up. Like, I don't even know what I did. Wow. Bro, this shit's no joke. Whoever could complete one of these haircuts, props to you. Major props. Dude, I'm getting pretty close to it. Like, I basically need a half guard right now, and I don't have one, so I don't know how to. No way, I'm a genius. What do you think of it?
It's not bad, bro.
Just tell me it's bad. Just tell me it's bad. Just be honest. Now you guys can actually see the mess I actually made right here. But I mean, it's not that bad though. It's not that bad. Like if you actually pay attention, just rate this part of the haircut. F everything else. This part of the haircut is not that bad. Look at what I did to the beard. Like it's pretty good, right? Okay. As long as you're good with the beard, as long as you're good with something, it's a decent. It's not even a decent haircut. It's okay. I only had a single razor and a comb, and I know how it works. I know how to use the comb and the razor and all that, but I couldn't get the right spot to like get everything like perfectly blended and everything like that. It was just so difficult. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate everybody who supports the channel. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because we do give away often on the channel like we did today. And yeah, that's been my prison haircut. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.
What the f?